Hello friends of Good Mood, I am Tanav and back to my channel. Today I am here with my friends Talha and even Darsh. So why don't you continue, Talha?
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to tell you which hanger is the best, old one or the new one. And even we are going to tell you that which setup is the best with the old hanger. So let's begin.
I would like Darsh to continue.
Yes, guys, I am new friend of Tanav, and I think this video will be hit. So let's see.
Yes, because he's watching the first time and he's recording too. Darsh, would you think I would win in this match?
Uh, I don't know.
Yes, that's the same answer. What do you say, Talha?
No idea.
Same with me, but I think
Because
I
you guys
would,
have a good setup.
but I think
But
I
you
would
don't.
lose. That Leo has lots of firepower.
You have good setup. Not good.
Your voice is cracking
Robot.
actually, Talha. Dash, did you see that the one in my left is hitting me with rockets?
Yes.
See, see those are. I love its effect. And by the way, if you don't know, there is a new version coming, War Robots Remastered.
If you are thinking of being flop,
Would I think I would be able to kill
yes.
this robot Dash in my front?
I don't know.
Oh,
Just
you don't know I would actually kill
Pranav,
and I have killed.
Pranav,
Yes,
Pranav,
yes, tell her.
Pranav, Pranav.
Yes, tell her.
No, I was thinking that I have some connection issue.
Oh, sorry. Oh, do you love this robot Dash? Do you
No, I
like
was
it?
checking my
Oh,
that.
no. I didn't have this robot.
mm.
Pranav,
I will tell which robot I like.
Yes, tell her.
Pranav, your
Yes, tell her.
Pranav, your recording is lagging.
No, tell her it's problem. I think with someone's internet connection problem because the video is not lagging actually.
I think I have some connection issue.
Yeah, I think so. It can be with anyone. Oh, that robot. I think he would defeat me. What do you think, Darsh?
He will. He's
Pranav,
stronger than
be
you.
careful, your leg has been damaged.
Yes, I saw it before. Oh, I wish I could have some energy weapons or different weapons so that I could kill him easily.
Which robot is he?
He's actually a griffin. Oh, so many
Stronger than
robots
you.
here.
They will kill you.
Did you see everyone? How did I die? I was just changing my weapons when I just died. Means they were stuck in half only. Did you see Dash?
Yes, of course.
You have a very good eye. You capture everything. That guy has overdrive unit. I think so. Do you love this robot Dash?
didn't love, but better than that robot.
Yes, I also. Tala,
Pranav,
do you love this robot?
Pranav, can you listen me?
Yes, I can.
Not sure, not sure about this robot. I love only one thing about this robot. The thing is that he has a physical shield which protects him.
Oh, this Leo. It annoys me a lot. It has good weapons actually.
Pranav, I think you will lose. Your team will lose.
Yes, I
You
don't
will
even
lose this
have
match.
more robots.
Guys, comment that which robot did you love?
Hmm, please do. Thank you, Dash, for
And don't
reminding
forget to
actually.
like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe
By the way, you
to our
also tell
video.
that do you love this video? Do you love the old hanger? And do you like my suggestions? I got defeated. I'll change the setup a bit.
I like the Lego.
Oh, you like Legos? That I know. Do you love Lego robots?
Yes.
Tara, do you love Lego?
Not that much.
I actually loved it before. Now I also love, but it's a less. Because first, whenever I used to go to my sister's house, I used to play. I used to make make a building with her.
I'm not talking about that Lego
So which Lego?
in this game.
Acha, I think you're talking about Leo, not Lego.
Ha,
That's actually a nice robot.
I didn't read that carefully because he turned faster.
But I love Natasha.
Yes, but Dash doesn't know much about it, na. Tala.
Yes.
I think I would make a second part for this in which I'll show the new robots gameplay. So do watch it. I'll post it in the last of the video.
If I can come, so I will in the part 2 of this video.
Yes, you would come, Dash. Did you see Dash, the Natasha?
No.
Okay. I think you'll see it now actually. I think so. See,
I will.
in the first robot, this Natasha. Did you see it?
Oh, yes, I like that.
Yes, like it's a very heavy robot actually. I love avalanches. Means it's a heavy weapon. Do you know about it, Alha?
Not that much because I don't play War Robots.
You don't play war robots?
Sorry. I play War Robots, but not that much.
Yes.
I don't.
I
I only like two robots in this game.
Why don't you tell it?
Can I tell?
Yes.
I love Haichi and a Fusion.
Oh, it's good. Does till now your
Because
favorite robots would be Leo and Natasha?
Yes.
Your choices are also good. As for the first time, I hope that you all are safe at your home from this pandemic. Sanitize your hands regularly, wash your hands regularly, and whenever you go out, put on a mask or carry a mask. The news has become boring, no, Darsh and Talha? Every day they talk about Corona.
Yes,
Yes, wash your hands regularly.
but
Yes,
yes, it is necessary because this
yes.
virus is becoming very strong.
And one thing about corona is that we can't see it.
Yes,
No, we can, but with microscopes.
yes, with microscopes is
Yes,
correct.
but we cannot see with them with the naked eye.
Now
They are
leave this
very
corona
small.
concentrate on this game.
Yes,
It sometimes becomes a lot boring for me. This I love this game because it's unstoppable. Means it can't stop. It won't stop. You'll match again and again with new robots and new players. That's why it doesn't become boring. Dash, what's your favorite game now?
Um, I think I will download this.
If
And
you need my help, do see. And if you want help, I'll also post a video for you.
no, I no post this video.
I'll post this video, but if you download and if you need help, I would post another video which would even help you and others.
Yes, yes.
So Tala, what's your favorite game now?
I don't have a favorite game. I like all the type. I like all the games available in the App Store.
So you play from
Or Play
iPhone?
Store. No, I play on iPad.
Oh,
I play only one game till now.
oh. Do
War Robots.
I also used to play in Delhi at my master's home from iPad. I even got a Galahad.
And are you joking?
No, I am not. I got to Galahad. You won't think, Tala. I got to Galahad with Tarans and
Oh, lucky.
what was the light weapon? Sting.
But last time when I was playing War Robots, I was so lucky that I have gotten three fusions with three Tarans, two Orkans, two Natashas, one Leo.
Thus, do you love this map? The place where I am on.
No, but the place when you were, that I love.
Oh, I think you're talking about the last map or last game where I was.
Ah, yes.
I think this map is known as Factory, and when you'll see the remastered version now, you will totally get amazed. You like every map.
Tana,
I yes,
do you know my favorite map?
no, you haven't tell.
I love the moon map
Oh, uh,
because we can see Earth.
Yes.
Okay.
The the can I tell you what is it if you want?
Yes.
Means like on the moon we have some like a science laboratory. There we play on the field, and from there we can see the earth. It's very nice.
Now where you are playing?
It's known as factory. It's on earth only. It's near mountains. You can see in the background. I'll change my robot. Actually, I want to show every robot because I play so carefully that I don't kill my robot easily. Sorry, I don't let my robot be killed easily. Oh, this Leo
There is
doesn't
a
pay
Leo.
attention to me.
Easy kill for you, Tana.
Yes. Oh, there is a Ravana. Um, I uh, I have some connection problem.
Tana, I would like to tell that
What?
you have got only one kill with your GS battle till now.
Yes, because I've just dropped in.
And it was an easy kill for you.
Why isn't this Ravana able to kill this Kozak?
Now can you see the chat box?
What? What did you tell? I couldn't listen properly, Dash. Can you repeat?
Can you see the chat box? What I have written, can you do that?
Uh,
आपको
which
म्यूट
robot should
नहीं
I
करना है,
use?
गेम को म्यूट करना था. अरे सुन.
I got defeated. So
Once again,
after a few minutes, I'll make a new second part for this.
Few minutes.
and in the
or few
second part,
days.
we are going to show you the new hanger.
Yes, it would be a new one. Huh. By the way, do subscribe to my channel.
And comment our video you like or
See,
not.
subscribe to the channel and click on notification bell and put it on all so that you get notified to all my videos. So bye.